Salooseville is a digital artefact that is an interactive website based for children in Stage 2. The game is created around Salooseville, a healthy neighbourhood. All of the games in Salooseville have a nutritional or healthy habits theme, and all of the games are organised and found in different parts of Salooseville. The game allows students to become a chef and collect points as they move throughout the game. The whole class can connect together and challenge one another. The first game in Salooseville is the food label game. It allows students to identify certain parts within a food label. Students are asked a question and they have to click on that part of the food label to answer that question correctly. This game has real-life connections for students as they are able to use the same skills needed in the game for real-life situations comparing food at their local supermarket. The second game in Salooseville is Build a Meal. This game gets students to create healthy meals for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Students create a character based on them by selecting their gender, age and fitness level. This page gives the students an overview of the meals they need to eat during the day. It shows what the recommended calorie intake is for students. There is also a health section which gives the students clues and hints as to where they can find the food they should include. Students have to select the best option to create a healthy meal. Once they have completed the daily meal plan, they are able to get an overview of how healthy their daily meals were. The game has real-life connections as the students have to select what foods they think are best when making healthy choices. The third game is the Fuel Up Challenge. This game gets students to answer nutritional-based questions and move up levels as they get the answer correct. Students select a player and the game begins. The questions appear at the top of the screen and the students have time to think about the answer, then select Start. The more questions they get correct, the more points they receive. This game has real-life connections as all the questions are nutritional-based and they are all age-appropriate for the students' general knowledge.
Nutrition education is an important part of a school's curriculum and enables children to learn at an early age the importance of healthy eating. Chef Salusa's activities directly link to the personal health choices strand in the PDHPE syllabus. Decision-making and problem-solving are evident throughout a variety of games located on the website. Students are given the ability to learn about making positive life choices as well as learning about the importance of nutrition. This website would be useful towards the middle and end of a unit. This website demonstrates many areas of the quality teaching framework, including deep understanding, as students grasp a deep understanding of nutrition throughout most games. Meta-language through nutritional vocabulary such as carbohydrates, protein and calories. Engagement sustains students' interests and allows them to make positive life choices. Student self-direction is also evident through the variety of interactive games with the core theme of nutrition. Connectiveness, as the website goes beyond the classroom and helps address the national issue of obesity, and background knowledge. Knowledge of nutrition would be needed for most games. There are several positives to this website, including engaging and fun, real-life connections, easy for students to navigate, useful information, promotes physical activity as well. There's no ads. A reward system of point is evident for all games, as you can see in the picture on the right-hand side. Caters for different levels, encouragement is given throughout, it's free and parents can access. However, there are some negatives about Salooseville, such as it requires students to sign up, which may take some time, unable to copy and paste information. The website is American and has a Spanish theme, which makes reading some of the characters' names and games difficult. The website also has the option to be in Spanish, not just English. Some activities do not link to the PDHPE outcomes, e.g. colouring in activities. From completing Assessment 1, we have discovered that for students to be able to get value out of interactive activities, they need the quality learning environment element of engagement. Our discovery was reinforced by Helen Parkin and Stuart Hiltonson and co., who states that the technology increases students' achievement. However, for technology to be used correctly and to have profound effects, students need to be engaged in the technology. Thus, we have decided we are going to carry this on into our assessment too. We both would be confident in using this website within our classrooms to promote positive life choices and, in particular, healthy eating.